Today we are going to start with the experiment that is losses due to pipe friction. जो फ्रिक्शन पाइप के अंदर रहती है उसकी वजह से जो लॉसेज आते हैं उसके बारे में स्टडी करते हैं. So the name of our experiment is to determine the losses due to friction in the pipe. Secondly, you can determine the friction factor for Darcy-Weisbach equation. In this, it is found that the total friction resistance to fluid flow depends on the following factor. तो जो फ्लूइड फ्लो होगा उसके अंदर किस वजह से जो फ्रिक्शन फैक्टर है कौन से फैक्टर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. दैट इज दीज आर द 5 फैक्टर्स ऑन विच द फ्रिक्शन इज डिपेंडिंग. फर्स्ट वन इज द एरिया ऑफ द वेटेड सरफेस. तो जो सरफेस वेट होगा उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. सेकंड, द डेंसिटी ऑफ द फ्लूइड. जो फ्लूइड हम यूज कर रहे हैं इसके अंदर उसकी डेंसिटी. द सरफेस रफनेस, अंदर का सरफेस और बाहर का सरफेस. जो सरफेस रफनेस है वो इट इज नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन फ्लूइड प्रेशर. राइट, प्रेशर के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करेगा. इंक्रीजेज विद द स्केयर ऑफ द वेलोसिटी. बट जैसे वेलोसिटी बढ़ेगी वेलोसिटी के स्केयर के साथ में जो रेजिस्टेंस है या फ्रिक्शन है वो कम होगी या बढ़ जाएगी. राइट, तो इसके लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज द ऑपरेटर, द डायग्राम ऑफ दैट ऑपरेटर. वी आर हैविंग टू पाइप्स, one on the top and another at the bottom. एक का डायमीटर हाफ इंच है, एक का डायमीटर 1 इंच है. राइट, तो जो हाफ इंच वाली है उसका क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया है 6.157 रेस्ट पावर 10 रेस्ट पावर -4 मीटर स्क्वायर. Similarly, the diameter of the second pipe and area of that second pipe, that is half inch pipe, उसका diameter is 0.016 and area is 2.0106 into 10 raised to power -4 meter scale. In this, we need to calculate three things. That is, h is the manometric height, the pressure difference. R is the rise of water in this measuring tank, and T is time that you are to fix. You want to take 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 40 seconds, depends on you. Right? We have a formula is Darcy equation, Darcy-Weisbach equation. HF, this is HF is friction factor. That is equal to 4 into F L V square D into 2G, where F is coefficient of friction, L is distance between pressure points. These are the pressure points. The distance between these 2 points is called distance of pressure points. V is the mean velocity of fluid. जिस velocity के साथ fluid flow करेगा that is V, and D is the diameter of the pipe. तो एक पाइप हमारी 1 इंच की है, एक हाफ इंच की है, तो उसका जो diameter रहेगा that is to be used over here. That information is provided to you in this manual also, on board also. So एक का diameter 0.028 है और दूसरे का 0.016 है. So G is the acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8. When you have observed this, आपने इसकी कैलकुलेशन नोट कर ली H, R and T. Then you have to calculate HF, V, T, then discharge. This is velocity. This is F. दो Darcy-Weisbach equation के accordingly you have to calculate this also. So how to calculate this? I am going to provide you the formulas for that also. So this is all about this theoretically. Operators for losses due to friction in pipeline, and thus we are having two pipes. One is diameter 1 inch and another pipe is having diameter of half inch. First of all, we are flowing water from 1 inch pipe. You can see this knob is off and this gauge is on. This valve is on and this is off. And this one is your bypass valve, and this is our measuring tank. You can measure the level of water, that is R. You can measure from this scale the rise of water in this measuring tank. That will give you a value of R. This is our manometer on which you can get the value of H. Right? You have to measure this H, you have to measure R from this, and third thing that is to be measured is time. Time can be measured with the help of this. You can divert this in measuring tank for say 20 seconds, 30 seconds or 40 seconds. As the discharge is very low, you need to calculate it for 40 seconds. Let us take on first reading. Before taking a reading, I am going to empty this measuring tank. I am going to close this measuring tank. So first reading that is to be taken, the distance between these two gauges or valves is 0.8 meters. That is pressure tap. We are going to measure pressure from these points. We are going to take pressure at this end and this end. So this pipe is connected to manometer and this pipe is connected to manometer. So first of all we are considering this pipe. So now I have closed this valve. Just to take a reading, I will open it for a very short while, and you can see the reading on the scale. The value of right hand side is around 97.5. and the value on the other side is 100. So you need to take the difference of these two values. One of the value is 97.5 and another value is 100. You need to take, you have to subtract this 97.5 minus from 100. So you get the value 2.5 somewhere here. This is your pressure H value. Now we are to deflect this deflector to measuring tank for 40 seconds. Now we have filled this measuring tank for 40 seconds. Now you can see the reading. The value is, this is the value, and the value is 4.5. Value is 4.5. The value of R is 4.5 and the value of this head is H is 2.5 and time is 40 seconds. To take another reading, I am opening this bypass valve a little more and I am going to empty this measuring tank again. Now again we have to take the reading. The new reading is 100 on the left hand side and 97 on the other side. So the pressure difference is there. That is the value is almost 3. 3 is your H, the value of H. Now we are to measure this this chart. This is your reading. It is almost 4.5. There is a minor deflection. Minor deflection is there. 4.5. Value of R is 4.5, and time is 40 seconds. Similarly, you can take another reading. Now, after taking these readings, we have to connect these outlets with this manometer again to see the pressure difference in this 1-inch pipe, as we have to connect it. So I am going to wind this experiment at this point. So you have to do it on your lab practical file, and I am going to share you the readings also, and you have to complete this. If you have any doubts, you can ask me personally also. Thank you.